Hey guys, we've got 5 new Insta houses that we've launched this year. You may be asking, what is an Insta house? Well, I'm going to show you, but it is a quick and easy way of putting together a gingerbread house. So obviously, when you see a box like this, and it's bakery bling, it's an Insta house. It houses a mold, and this mold is going to help you put together your gingerbread house in seconds. Okay, so first we're going to open up the box. Obviously you want to take everything out of the box, okay? Open it up. We're going to get everything out. And inside you're going to find this mold I was talking about. This is our holiday helper. It is going to make it super, super easy to put together a gingerbread house. You're going to take out your cookies, your icing. You're going to take out your glittery sugars, your beads, and also the pieces. You've got snowflakes, lights, a wreath, and a little tree to make this house so special. Okay, so first thing, go ahead and take out your cookies. We are gonna put the cookies on the kitchen counter. We decorate cookies first. Makes it really easy when you're trying to assemble the house later. Now people may ask, okay, why don't we usually put the house together and then decorate the cookies? Well, sure, that's how you've always done it, but we are bringing you better ways of putting together a gingerbread house. So you're gonna take your icing, you're gonna go ahead and clip it, the end of it. Don't make it, don't clip it too big yet, because we still want to be able to have the detail and the fine line and outline the windows and the roof. So we're going to outline the windows and the roof. Go ahead and do that. All you're going to do is follow the lines. So something really easy. I usually start in the middle, just outline it. Doesn't have to be perfect. You're going to go back and add glittery sugar over this. We all know that glittery sugar helps hide any little imperfections in case you're not a professional. So we're just going to go ahead and outline these lines. We're going to go this way, and then you're going to go back every way. So you're going to go back through the design, and we're going to do all that. Okay, so once you're done with one of the roofs, go ahead, put all your glittery sugars in a bowl. You're going to pick it up, and you're going to sprinkle all the glittery sugars on the roof line. Okay. And then we're gonna set that out to dry. You're gonna do it to the next piece. You're also gonna do the window. Again, you're just gonna take the window, you wanna just outline the lines, fill in the snow and the little window basket. You can add the pearls. You can add some pearls to this window. I'm gonna put one right in the middle, and then I'm gonna sprinkle a little glittery sugar to my window. Okay. And then I'm gonna set that out to dry. I'm gonna do that to my other window, and then I'm gonna start on the front door. So obviously on the door, you're gonna wanna outline it, you're gonna wanna fill it in with icing, and then you're gonna wanna add your glittery sugar to it. So once you get the window, the door filled in, we're gonna take a little bit of sugar. We are gonna add it to that front door. And then you're gonna also do all the other decorations. Follow the box if you want. If you wanna make it your own creation, however you wanna do it, you be you. So do it however you want. So now we are gonna put this masterpiece together, and we are gonna take the front of the house, take an X through the back of the cookie. You can also add a little bit of icing around the front or the top, and we are gonna place that on the mold. Really simple, really easy. If you can take the front and the back and do it together, great. If you can't, just take the back now. We're gonna ice it again. Simple X, you don't need a ton of icing. It really does stick to the thermoform or the mold really well. We're gonna take that, and we're gonna put it there. Okay, now we're gonna take the sides, shake it again over the bowl. We're gonna put an X to the sides. Try and do these together if you can. Again, over the bowl. I've got a little space between them. Now I'm gonna take this front, this side, and this side, and we're gonna put them on at the same time. So simple, so easy, and just holds on its own. Now we're gonna take the roof. Our roof we did just a couple minutes ago, so I'm gonna let dry just a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of extra icing to the cookie. See the cookie that's sitting there, and a little bit onto the mold. Just kind of do that. This is gonna help it stick. Just get a little bit on the mold, a little bit on the cookie, and then we're gonna do this front side as well. Easy, easy, easy. Okay? Now we're gonna take our roof and add an X to the back of the roof, and I am going to attach that like this. So simple. Press it against. Done. You don't have to touch it again. See how simple that is? Easy, easy, easy. You're going to take your next roof. We're going to dump it a little bit over the edge of the bowl. Again, I'm going to put an X to the back of it. I've already added the icing a little to the mold itself and to the cookie edge. I'm going to press that together. Line these up together. Perfect, okay? Just like that. We're going to let that one stay just like that. Now, what's going to help these two stick together and not have any complications is taking your icing and pipe it down the middle of the cookie, okay? You may need 2 lines, and we're going to press these together. Now, if you just did your cookies, try to get in between the icing diamonds on the roof line and press them together. Okay, now we have our gumballs. It's gumball time. We're going to take the Forge Large gumballs. In the picture, we started with gold first. I'm going to start with gold. Don't press too hard because you'll push your cookie roof down. Then we're going to do silver, and then gold, and then again silver. Now again, if you do press it like I just did, just push it a little bit in together again, hold it, but really it's not going anywhere. That's really easy. So now is the fun part. You get to make the house your own. We've got light bulbs, we've got snowflakes. I'm going to take the snowflake to any of these accessories, whether it be the light bulbs, snowflake, the wreath, whatever it may be. You can really kind of add your own touches, but I'm going to take this and add it right there, right behind my gumball, okay? And there we go. I need a little bit more icing on that. I didn't quite put enough, so I'm going to add a little bit of extra, make it a little bit globby so it sticks right there, okay? But you can see we haven't touched this mold again. Simple, simple, easy way of putting together an Insta-House. You've got your tree you can add, you've got your lights. I still need to add the snow to the roof line and add my lights, but it's as easy as that. For more cookie kits, more gingerbread houses, more family fun, go to bakerybling.com.